Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Steam app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just scrolling down here, click here on apps. Sorry, we will go back here. You click here on apps here, then it's going to take you to apps list. Indeed you're looking for Steam app, or just click on search, then here at Steam app it's going to show for you like this here. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for store, click on OK. You scrolling down here, click on storage, click on clear cache here. So then you go to your Play Store, just click on it here, then you search for Steam app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find it. Update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.